start.
Hello class 8. I have explained flowchart and algorithm in my previous video. Today, first I will explain you how to write the algorithm and how to write the flowchart. Because in each and every program, when we will write the program, first we will need to write algorithm. After that we will draw the flowchart. Today in this video I am explain you flowchart and algorithm by some questions. In my first video I have explained flowchart and algorithm. Now we are writing algorithm and draw a flowchart. So I am solving some questions to explain you the algorithm and flowchart. First question is, write an algorithm and draw a flowchart to enter the cost price and the selling price of an article. If selling price SP is more than the cost price CP, then calculate the profit and the profit percent. Otherwise, calculate the loss and the loss percent. In this, first we will write algorithm. I am telling you that algorithm we will write in steps. And step 1 is start, then step 2. In step 2, we will accept the cost price and the selling price of the article as CP. In the short form, cost price will be CP and selling price will be SP. So that in second step we will accept the cost price and selling price. Step 3, we will write the conditions. If selling price is more than the cost price, then calculate the actual profit and profit percent by using the formula. Profit is equal to SP minus CP, selling price minus cost price. If selling price are more than cost price, so that it will give profit. So that we will put the formula profit. Then profit percent is equal to profit divided by CP multiply all value multiply by 100. This is for profit. Now, if cost price is more than the selling price, then calculate actual loss and loss percent by using this formula. If cost price are more than the selling price, if I have purchased something in 100 rupees and I have selling that things in 90 rupees, so that cost price is greater than the selling price, then we will get loss. So that we will put the formula of loss. Loss is equal to CP, cost price minus selling price, and loss percentage is equal to loss divided by CP multiply 100. Step 5, display the result as per the condition satisfied. Then step 6, stop. Now this is the algorithm of these questions. Now we will make the flow chart. Flow chart start. First box is we will start. This is the oval box. Then enter CP. This is second step. Enter CP and SP. Enter cost price and selling price. Then this is the condition. Is SP greater than CP? If selling price is greater than CP, it will go, then profit formula will be going on. P is equal to SP minus CP, because SP is greater than. But if CP is greater than SP, then this will work. L is equal to CP minus SP. So we will write both the formula. This is the loss and this is the formula of profit. Then we will put the formula for profit percentage. Profit divided by CP multiply 100. But in loss percentage is equal to loss divided by CP multiply by 100. Now if SP is greater, then this will be display profit and profit percent, then it will be stop. But if CP is greater than SP, then it will be work. Loss, then loss percent, then display loss and loss percent. Then in flowchart, last step is stop. Now second question is, write an algorithm and draw a flowchart to two numbers. If the two numbers are equal, then find the sum, otherwise find the product. If both the numbers are equal, then we will find the sum. If they are different, at that time we will find the product. First we will write the algorithm. Step 1, start. Step 2, take two numbers, say A and B. We can take A and B, these are the two numbers. Step 3, if both the numbers are equal, then find the sum, because we have given the condition over there. Find of the numbers and store in the variable s. Step 4, if both numbers are unequal, means both numbers are not same, then find the product. Then in that condition we will multiply the numbers A multiply B and store the variable P. This is the product and this is the S for sum. Step 5, display the result, sum or product as per the condition satisfied. Then step 6 will be stop. Now this is the algorithm of this question. Now we will draw a flowchart. Same, this is the start and stop box. These boxes are in oval shape, so that start and stop box. Then this is the parallelogram box, which will enter or display the result using for input and output. This is also known as input and output box. In first box we will write enter two numbers A and B. Then this is the processing box. This is the processing box and this is the star box, diamond box. In there we will write the condition, is A greater than B. If A greater than B, then this condition will be follow, means it will find the sum. Sum is equal to A plus B. Then display S. Sum will be displayed. If B is greater than A, then product will be. If both the number are not equal, then product A multiply by B. Then display product. Then stop the program. One more question is there. This question, to display a number is positive or a negative. So that we will write an algorithm and draw a flowchart to display whether a number is positive or a negative. First we will write algorithm. Step 1, start. Step 2, take a number, say n. In the form of n we will take that number. Step 3, if the number is greater than 0, I have not written 0, this is 0, Z-E-R-O, 0. N is greater than 0, then display a positive number. Step 4, if the number is less than 0, this is also 0, n is less than 0, then display a negative number. Or step 5 is stop. Start and stop box. This represents start a program and this represents stop the program. Take a number, that it will take in input box. This is input box and this is the result in output box. And this is the decision box, which is a diamond in shape. In this, first we will write is n is greater than 0. If n will be greater than 0, then this condition will be followed, display of a positive number. Then if n is greater than 0, then message will be displaying a positive number. If this is not greater than 0, n is less than 0, then display a number, negative number. By mistake I have written positive. This is a negative number. Display a negative number. Then program will be stopped. Hope you all have understood the programs by this flowchart and algorithm. I will give some questions to solve and which help to understand you algorithm and flowcharts. Hope you all understood the flowchart and algorithm. Now you will complete your work at time. Hope you will not disappoint me. Thank you.